How to buy a Gorbagana token. So this token came under the symbol of GOR. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community on X also. They have 1,600 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 5 days ago. And as you can see, the market cap, it's $25.8 million. Now, also this token trending number 4 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy token address and open your front wallet for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap and make sure to select the Solana from the top. Now, from the bottom, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also, you can click on it and click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And now this is how much you will be able to receive of that token. After that, scroll down and you will be able to find here swap, click on it, and you will be able to redirect it to OKX or GOR provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy GOR token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.